Good morning, guys. I'm just out and about. I'm quoting this morning. I've got a few bills to pay, so I'm running to suppliers. I just wanted to jump on really and just see how everybody gets right staff. Last year I think we went through 6 people giving it all big licks, saying how good they were and what they did, and I don't stand still, and I do this, I do that. I'm just the best landscaper you've ever come across, selling themselves. So you give them a standard wage, and then you're like, first few days, and like, right, how much do you want me to be on? So I always say, how much do you want to be on? And everybody says 140 quid, 150 quid. It's like, absolutely not, no chance. Until you get your own van, your own tools, I give you the job, you go do the job, and you ring me up and say, job's done. If you've earned your money, you'll get paid that. But we had one guy that rang up, and he works for a landscaping company that works in construction. So all he does is new builds, and they go in and they must do prep about 10 gardens a day, next day go in and turf them. So all he does is soft landscaping. But as you've seen with us, we do fencing, porcelain, drainage, driveways. I'm just off now to go sort a drainage problem out because someone else has done a drive completely wrong, so I'm off to go price up to sort his drive out. So we do absolutely everything from day to day. It can change, we can do whatever. So you're an all-rounder, more or less, you know. The only thing I don't know, personally, is plants. But my auntie, she's ridiculous with plants. So, just an ambulance coming, hang on. I just get advice off her for shaded gardens, sunny gardens, this garden, that garden, whatever. So that's my downfall. Everyone's got a downfall. I'm not famous. I'm not perfect. Do you know what I mean? But I've got my value. Everyone's got their own value. I understand it. But when you come in and you can only do turfing, which I might do twice a month, something like that. 2 days a month I might turf. That is it. Rest of it is all hard landscaping and everything you can ever think of. So I get people like that ringing up. I had one guy last year rang up, I put an advert out looking for a guy, must have driving license, must be able to do X, Y and Z. Get to our yard on a morning for, I'm always between 7 and half 7, because I always say I ain't leaving my house before 7 o'clock on a morning. Go on. I ain't leaving my house before 7 o'clock on a morning. Work-life balance, everything like that. So you get to my yard for between 7 and half past. On the morning I'll say, mate, 20 past, mate, 10 past, this past, that past, whatever. It's not hard, is it? I'm not strict. If you're 5 minutes, you're 5 minutes. Life happens, doesn't it? It's not all about me and my company, it's about you as well, as a person. So I had a guy, like I say, that rang me up. I only work for cash, which we don't do. Can you drive? No, I can't drive. Right, whereabouts do you live? Probably about 5 miles away from my house. Or is there any chance that you could pick me up? I went, right, let's start with it. Why do you want to work for cash? Why can't we put out in? Because potentially you could earn 30 grand. So would you rather be on benefits and get caught out and then get a 20 grand fine in a few years' time? And more, some people. Or would you rather be straight, pay your taxes, and that dream car that you want? I want a Q7 and a barn conversion. I've got to pay my taxes to get that Q7 and my barn conversion, because otherwise that mortgage company ain't giving me jack all, and that finance company is only giving me some finance for a Ford Fiesta. Do you know what I mean? So you're only lying to yourself. So that's my thing. So why do you want to work for cash? Well, I'm not supposed to be working. This guy's foreign. I'm not supposed to be working at the minute in this country. They've taken my passport off me. They've taken my work visa, whatever you have, off me. It's like, right, so you're an illegal immigrant then, aren't you? No, it's not like that. It's just this, that. I'm like, right. Why do landscapers attract that sort of person? Why does everybody think that landscapers is an easy job? We do. I try not to do this, but we do take so many calls off of people. I've put in a price, 20 grand. Someone's come in, done it for 11. How can I knock myself down 9 grand? They haven't done it right. So why do people think that landscaping is an easy job when you have to pay twice and get it done right? I feel I might be expensive, but it's done right. That's all that matters to them. It's done right. That's all that should matter to them. But the next person, I give him a job, and he just stood about, and he stood there with his vaping. After the first week, when he's impressed me, you know what I mean. Told him how much he were on, which were all right really for a young lad. Nice whack really, living at home, and you know, I wish I had that much disposable income, if you like, you know, without earning bills or out like that. And then next thing, he stood about vaping, like I say. He's doing this, he's doing that, he's on phone. I'm just going to film this, I'm just going to film that. It's my business, I'll film what I want, when I want. You get on with your job. You know what I mean? More bothered about TikTok. Oh, someone's just sent me this video, have a look at this, have a look at this. Why don't we just get this patio down, pal, and show me at dinner time? You know what I mean? And then we had another guy, absolute compulsive liar. Played big wigs. He sort of did know what he were doing. He were a good kid, he were a nice kid as well, he were well spoken, really nice, but he just bloody lied. Didn't come in on a Wednesday. Who blobs on a Wednesday? You know what I mean? So I'm in the position now. We're in February now, and I am booked up until, I don't know, second week in June as it stands at the minute. And I'm talking to 4 people about extra work as well. So we're in a position now again, because we've got 2 vans, is to get another man. But can I be bothered? Can I be bothered with it? Starting again, filtering, sieving through. There's me, there's Tom, who's my brother, and then there's Sean. And we've got Sean. I've known Sean years, and I got him from our building suppliers, or my old building suppliers. I got him from there, and he is brilliant, and he's so polite to customers, and he'll sit there and he'll help them bring shopping in if they need it. We'll put wheelie bin out on wheelie bin day, you know what I mean. And he's just so nice, and so many customers say to me, don't get rid of Sean. He's an absolute honour to you. So how do I get another person like that without going to my supplier and pinching all the staff? But I'm just curious, how does everybody do it? Is it always John Boy front pub, or you know, do you have a way of doing it? Do you filter through them and just be patient and keep going? On my 20th man, will I find the man? You know. But yeah, last year was just a stress, an absolute stress about it. So yeah, we're just in that position now of where to go. Do we keep this work-life balance going, which I'll always keep this work-life balance going, but do we keep where we get another man, we go off and do 2 jobs, you know, and then just rotate as staff, and then without, no one's sick of me, no one's sick of Sean, no one's sick of them, no one's sick of doing just patios. I like doing walls, no one's sick of doing walls, you know. So do we rotate as staff and just get on with it and keep going and pushing, or do we just plod on and I'm just going to have to stop answering my phone. But all of these jobs are coming from recommendation, not from advertising. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. I just thought I'd have a little Saturday moan. Little Saturday know-how, see how you guys get on. See if everyone's in... No indicators. See if everyone's in the same predicament as me, or if you're just chilling on your own, because that's one thing I would not be able to work on my own. I wouldn't be. I like it when I go, there's three of us, like I say, so like I go, I'm just gonna go fix this drainage problem that I'm just off to go look at now, you know. I'm just gonna go do this, I'm just gonna go do that. I like it for a day, but the second day, absolutely horrendous. Absolutely horrendous, I hate it. And then I go home and I just chew our lass's ear off because I haven't spoken to anyone all day. So, yeah, let me know in comments, guys. See what you think. Or let me see what you think about my video. Cheers, guys. I'll see you all soon. Have a good one.